let's talk about the new play I'm directing.
Do I get to star in it?
I think it's my turn to star in one of Cyclowitz's plays.
Why are you talking?
I'm just trying to get my
I'll take whatever you say.
There. You see, every time I cast a new play, you all get your panties in a pretzel. Andre, pick a role.
Tommy, 10-year-old identical twin brother of Carter.
Beck, pick a role.
Carter, 10-year-old identical twin brother of Tommy. I guess we're twins.
Their mama's got some explaining to do.
Jade, pick a role.
Nancy, loving wife of astronaut Walter Swain.
Tori,
Astronaut Walter Swain, husband of Nancy.
I'm supposed to play her wife?
I'll just pick another card.
no! My box has spoken.